Hello and welcome. Today I will be doing the XLBI challenge 635. It's something about sorting. So let's jump right in. Download. Okay. So we should sort the data on the basis of years, months, and days in ascending order. Should be not that problematic. So I will use the SORTBY function, but first I need to have this as separate arguments. So first let for the data, and then for the I will use a lambda called b to have text before, and then text before, no, lambda a, text before a, before the space. And now I can use this for, so b of d will return the number, and then I need to make this a number, and I will use this to sort by d by this. Yes. And now we also need to sort in the other orders. Sort order is default, and then text after the and after years with a space. And now I will also do this in this b function. For sorting, sort order is default. Okay, I need minus minus. Okay, now it's looking good. It's already sorted, but at least to be on the safe side, we will also have the last sorting argument. So here it's after months. Also the space, nothing changed. But what we do here, we have a lambda that will give us the text before a space. And then I go from left to right everywhere where I have a date or a number. I take this, so first the first number here, then after years, and with my lambda I take only those numbers into account, and then there and there, and yeah, we have solved it. It could have been done more efficient, but yeah, at least it's kind of a neat solution for this problem. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.